Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this really cool little blower fan. This thing is actually so compact, very lightweight. It's less than 1.5 pounds, about 8 inches long. Loving the color scheme in the black and the orange. That way if you leave this outside in the grass, it's going to be easy to find. But it's got a lot of nice features built into it. It is rechargeable, which is nice. In fact, it even has a little indicator light. I'm going to turn it on. It actually shows you the charge, the high and low there with the green indicator. And as you also notice, there's also an additional light up here, which means this is dual function. You can actually turn this on. And it's actually got 4 different modes. You've got a really bright light, you've got a dim light, you've got a strobe light, and then you've got your SOS light. So if you've got this out with your car and you need to put this out side to side of a road, you can easily indicate to people what is going on. You also have some different detachable ends on this. It actually comes with one. You don't even have to use an end. I kind of like it because it redirects the airflow, but it does come with a couple of other ones if you're going to be cleaning out keyboards and whatnot, or possibly even airing something up. You've actually got the ability to do that. And why wouldn't you? This thing produces about 98 meters per second worth of wind, spins at about 360,000 RPM, and has several different settings on the back via this little blue indicator here. So I'll actually go ahead and pull the trigger here and show you a couple of those settings. That's on low. So that's on low. You can see that it is blowing quite a bit. We can easily blow this bag that they sent. You can move around some stuff, but when we crank this up to full bore, that's medium. When it gets to high, I mean, you can look what it does over here. We're moving all kinds of stuff. This is producing a lot of wind. That produces a lot of wind. Not terribly noisy, loving the fact that it's so small and concise, and this thing is powerful to where this can actually create some hurricane force winds blowing through this thing. It's going to help clear off your driveway, clean out your car, clean out your keyboard. Would work great for anyone's home or office.